Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use ClickUp for task management, and it will be a complete step-by-step video for a beginner friendly video also. Whether you are working solo, managing a team or organizing a school project, this guide will help you set up your workspace, create tasks and stay on track, all using ClickUp in 2025. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. But first of all, you just need to understand what is ClickUp. So ClickUp is a free all-in-one productivity tool. You can manage tasks, project, goals, docs, time tracking and many more, all in one place. As you can see it, their feature. If you want to know furthermore, you can scroll down and get idea about this one. Now let's walk you through setting it up for effective task management. So first of all, let's create our first workspace. First, you just need to be signing up at ClickUp, and then you just need to be create workspace. So I don't have any account here. So here I will create an account by clicking this button called Get Started. It's free, and you can see there is a message called free for even, no credit card required. So let's click on this one, and here they are telling us to provide our mail address. So I will copy my mail from that place. So here you can see it, this is our mail address. I will copy this one and I will paste it here. Signing up with work email makes it easier for co-workers to join your workspace. That's great. Let's click on next. Once I click over here, then they will ask for some other things. As you can see, that will be, so I am going to do with continue as HM, and then select our mail address, and let's wait a bit, and it will take a while to complete the process. So eventually now you can see our task like ClickUp had like creation complete, and now we are on our dashboard. So here you can see, but you can like create a new workspace. Like click on Get Started. So here you can check this out, it is loading. So I'm going to click on cancel, and let's click on home. Once I come to the home, then I will get this options called create. I will just click on this create button. Once I click over here, then they will ask for create your list space. Whatever you want to create, you are allowed to create. So I just want to create a workspace. So you can invite members, like it is optional. Then you can choose a template to start from scratch. So let's understand the hierarchy. ClickUp use as a simple structure like workspace. Let's click on this space. It is the workspace, your whole account. Then space, this one space sections. It works like department or categories, for example marketing, personal, freelance and many more. Then we have this folder options. Here you can see, you will get the options like called folder. You will find out the folder. It is a project for our topic. So here you can see we have these options called list, space, then message, channel. This is the topic. Then we have the list options. So this is like group of tasks, it's called list. Then task, what needs to get done, it's called task. In the task you will see that there is a couple of to-do list, and this is the task, or I can say this is the group. Then we have subtasks. It is under each task we will get this subtask. So understanding the structure help you to stay organized in ClickUp. Then let's go ahead and create our first task. So let's add a task. Go to list. In here you will see the list. Just click on list, give a name, that will be by my name, script. And here space, we have space, that team space. I am going to do with this one. Then click on create. Once I click over here, now here you can see our task has been created called script. This is the list, and here we are going to add new task. So here we have the options. So I will click on add task. Once I click over here, they are asking for the task. So I will give a title, that name will be write blog post, and then you can add description. You can also attach files, comments, break it into subtasks. Like you can set recurring tasks also. So after completing this, you just add or click on create task. Once you click over here, it will be added in here. As you can see it, our right blog post has been added. So next, talk about choose the right view. Like ClickUp offers flexible views to manage your task, like list view, perfect for detailed task tracking. Then board view, it is like Trello, great for drag and drop workflows. Then we have calendar view to see upcoming deadlines. Also we have Gantt view for project timelines, and also we have inbox view, show tasks assigned to you. You can switch between the views depending on how you look like to work. Now we are going to talk about use time management tools. So how we can do it? ClickUp includes built-in time tracking and reminders. Just click on timer. Here you can see we have planner. Under this planner we will find out, or we can check this more option, and here you can see we have this time sheet. Like here, click on the timer to track how long task takes. Just click one of them and click start timer and estimate for better planning. Use reminders so nothing falls through the cracks. You can even set goals and track progress across tasks. Then we can collaborate with our team by using this ClickUp. So if you are working with a team, assign tasks to specific members, you can use the comment section to give updates. Then you can take people, like tag people with mentions, and you can share documents or ClickUp docs inside task. Like we have these options to do this kind of a thing. No more scattered updates across email or messages. So let's go and let's talk about the automate and customize. Like ClickUp lets you automate repetitive actions. Example, when a task is marked done, move it to another list, like then auto assign tasks based on status changes. You can also customize customer fields, tags, task sub status. Like ClickUp grows with you, simple for beginner, powerful pros. So let's wrap up the video here, but here you can explore further more. Before the wrap up, we will discuss each elements one by one. So you can see this is the home. Here you will get all the options like inbox, replies, follow-ups, activity, it's the mention, then draft and send, then post. Then you can see further more options into the planner. It helps you to better organize, like connect your calendar to manage your events, time block your tasks, and quickly join your next call. Then you can see there is an option called brain. What is the work of brain? So here you can ask anything over here. It is a artificial intelligence which help you to on your work. So let's ask something. What time is it now in United States? And let's hit, and then here they are thinking and they are giving us the time. So it helps you to, like, it is totally similar to a chat GPT, so you can take help from this one to brainstorming yourself. Then we have this dashboard panel. As you can see it here, you will choose the template from that place. Simple dashboard, project management. Like you can start from the scratch to make your dashboard. Like you have this authority to design your dashboard by yourself. And here you can see time tracking, view and reports, time tracking matrix. Then let's go and talk about the clip. So here you can see you can add or record your clip over here. As you can see, voice clip, video clips, syncs apps, AI note taker. We have all the necessary things over here to manage the things for us. So that's how to manage your task with ClickUp in 2025. With the right setup and views, you will stay focused, organized, and ahead of deadlines. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more productivity tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you want a full guide on ClickUp project management or automation next.